Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy link on Discord server mobile. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the server that you want to copy the link. I can select this server, so now you can tap on the server's name at the top of the screen, and here you will see the option invite. Now tap on invite. Make sure that you updated the latest version of Discord. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version. Now you can just simply tap on copy link, and after copy the link, you can just simply share the link to your friends and other persons that you want to share the link, or you can just simply share invite by tap on share invite, and this is the way you can share or invite a copy link on Discord mobile server. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.